Um, okay, let's shift gears and move to the intelligence of the body. So your physical body is a highly intelligent system, and one that we often take for granted, don't we? How many times a day do you direct gratitude to your body for digesting your food, for exchanging gases in your air, in your respiration, for running your circulatory system effectively and efficiently, for removing toxins from your body, for your pores whose job it is to purge impurities? We don't. I don't. Maybe you do. And if you do, yay, that is great. But oftentimes the body and its highly ordered intelligence and perfection not only goes unnoticed and unappreciated, completely ignored, and even worse yet, we criticize it, right? So this beautiful body, give it a hug if you would right now. Just give yourself a big hug and take a moment to say thank you. Just a big blanket global thank you for all the things that it handles for you without you asking. And I believe that we choose on some level the physical bodies that we have right now in this lifetime. I don't know exactly how it works, but it's my belief that we sort of select. And I like to imagine it like when you go to the dry cleaners and all of those clothing, pieces of clothing are moving by on that rack that they push the button and it zips on by. I picture sometimes in my imagination, lots of different body types, body styles. Ooh, short legs, long legs, tall and lanky, short and stocky, round and soft, all different things. And I picture us as pre-birth, before taking birth in this lifetime, looking through it, all these wonderful options, mix and match this one with that. And here we are with the shapes that we are, the sizes that we are, the beautiful perfection that we are. So maybe that's a fun thing for you all to imagine too. But what we're going to do right now is we're going to do an activity for body scanning. And what you might find as I guide you through this process is you may receive channeled imagery. You may see visions of times, perhaps from other lifetimes. It's languaged in such a way to evoke that. If that is something that that comes through for you, wonderful. If it's not, no worries. It doesn't need to be. But we're going to tune in really fully and completely to the body. I'm going to talk you through all of it, and just be present. See what you see, feel what you feel, sense what you sense. Let it all be present with you and for you. Don't judge any of it, and let's do it. So again, sitting comfortably in your seat. Close your eyes, please. Settling back into your breath, breathing deeply. I am going to ask you now to run your attention starting at your feet. What are you feeling in your feet? What energy is there? And how does it feel to you, that energy? Is it clear energy? Is it static? Is it light? Is it heavy? Just tune into your feet and let them speak to you. Our feet take us on our path and point us in the right direction. Is there anything your feet want you to know? Is the energy around your feet, yours, or perhaps someone else's? Is it past or is it present? Let the energy speak to you. Now, please send your attention to your legs. Your legs provide support and grounding. As you attune to your legs, notice, is there anything attached to them energetically? Any cords or shackles or anything you can perceive? Is there an old story or a current story that your legs want to transmit to you? Do you see any colors connected with the energy around your legs? Now, please move your attention to your abdomen. This is where we digest much more than just food. What are you feeling in this area of the body? Do you see any colors here? Is there an old story or a current story connected with this gut space? Is there anything your abdomen needs from you, wants to ask of you? Listen. Let's move your attention now upwards into the chest area where your beautiful heart resides. What do you feel here? How is the energy around your heart? Is it clear? Is it flowing? Is it blocked? Are there colors? Is anyone else's energy attached at your heart space? Just notice. Let your heart speak to you. Now, please run your attention to your arms, your beautiful arms, used for holding, for wrapping around, for hugging, for bringing something or someone inwards closer to you, or for keeping them at arm's length. What do your arms have to share with you? What story do they want to tell you? What do your arms need from you? Now, please run your attention to your neck and your head areas. Are there stories here? What does the energy feel like to you? What images or colors are present? What does your neck need you to know or do? And how does your head feel, and what does it want you to know? Now, please do a general scan of your entire body. Start at your feet again and slowly run all the way up, slowly moving through each part, scanning for anything that feels constricted, tight, not yours, unhelpful. Blessing it and allowing that energy to uncoil and to release. Moving all the way up to the very top of your head, your crown. Clearing out with the support of your loving guides and the loving energies that surround you, so that your physicality may be more free, may be in greater flow, and may have more ease. And now go ahead and stretch or move in a way that feels good, that's led by your beautiful body. And take a moment to please share in the chat what you got. If there was something particularly interesting in the imagery or the story or the communication of your body, if you feel something different, if you saw something that you didn't expect,